Imagine waking up to a sun so furious it disrupts global radio communications. Well, that's exactly what just happened. On May 14th, 2025, the sun unleashed its most powerful flare of the year, an astonishing X2.7 eruption that sent ripples through the atmosphere and left radio waves in chaos across 5 continents. Early in the morning, just as the world was waking up, the fiery ball of gas erupted, blasting streams of plasma into space and causing shortwave radio blackouts from North America to Southeast Asia and down through Africa to the Middle East. The flare peaked at 4:25 a.m. ET, but this wasn't a solo act. Just hours earlier, we had seen the sun fire off an earlier M5.3 flare, both adding to the excitement of what's being labeled a period of heightened solar activity. Imagine the sheer scale of energy. This flare was not just a twinkle. It was a massive burst of solar power that scientists have been closely monitoring. The Space Weather Prediction Center noted that the X2.7 flare, occurring over the Middle East, disrupted high-frequency signals in that region for about 10 minutes as the storm reached its peak. Now, as fascinating as these solar outbursts are, they come with potential risks, especially for astronauts in space and those relying on GPS technology. Solar flares are categorized by their strength, starting from the weakest A-class up to the powerful X-class flares. The X-class category, which this flare belongs to, represents the most intense solar activity. Each increment reflects a tenfold increase in energy release, emphasizing just how strong these solar storms can be. But what does that mean for us on Earth? The charged particles from these flares can interfere with radio communications, navigate satellites off course, and even threaten power grids should conditions align just right. However, there's a bright side. These solar storms can also create dazzling auroras, painting the night sky with vibrant colors far further from the poles than we typically see. These stunning displays happen when charged particles collide with Earth's magnetic field, providing a visual reminder of the sun's energy. Experts have indicated we've entered an active phase of the solar cycle known as solar maximum, which means more intense solar activity is likely in the months ahead. So while this recent flare is the strongest we've experienced in 2025, it's just a glimpse of the solar fireworks show that awaits as the sun continues its natural cycle. It's a thrilling time for scientists and space enthusiasts alike, keeping their eyes firmly glued to the skies. And who knows, with the sun putting on more shows, we could be in for a spectacular sizzle of solar activity in the near future. Did you find the solar flare's impact surprising? Share your thoughts below and don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic updates.